Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the basics, because most crash reports point to corrupted assets or drivers. Verify game files now. Steam or Epic will re-download damaged files, which often clears crashes. Next, update your GPU drivers to the newest WHQL release and apply any vendor hotfixes. You want stability patches. Once done, disable overlays and background recorders like Discord, GeForce Experience, and VPNs, since they inject DLLs that commonly trigger crashes. Now dig into diagnostics. Run Resident Evil 8 in windowed mode or safe mode to reduce resource spikes, and reproduce the crash to collect timestamps. Open Windows Event Viewer and the game's log files to find the failing module or error code. That tells you whether it's GPU, memory, or file I/O. While testing, switch your power plan to high performance and lower in-game graphics to eliminate thermal or VRAM pressure as the crash cause. Finish by repairing runtimes and drivers. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX because missing DLLs produce crash reports. If issues persist, perform a clean GPU driver removal with then install the latest stable driver. This clears driver-side corruption. As a final step, back up your saves and reinstall the game to replace any stubborn files. If it still crashes, use the most common troubleshooting tip. Test another GPU or system to isolate hardware versus software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.